And here we go on our trips on Explore and Walk with Us. So where are we going today? We're in County Fermanagh and we're walking down to the marblearch caves. It's 152 steps down, it's 1.5 miles long, and it takes over about 175 minutes. So it should be good fun as well. So bear with us and we'll go down. So here we go on our descent on the way down to the caves. 152 steps. Ooh, it's like, so hopefully this will be quite fun. We'll get it sorted. So you can actually feel the cold coming down here at the minute. So, oh dear. Lisa, come on. As you can see, we're walking down into the caves, and it's quite spectacular actually. First time ever coming down here, so should be good. And oh dear, it's quite good as well. So we'll see. Oh. Remember to like and subscribe to the channel, and as you can see, what a lovely place it is to come down to as well, with the water and stuff like that as well. So remember to like and subscribe to the channel, as I said, and we'll take you there. I'll try and get as much in as I can, and basically we'll try and get it all sorted, but it should be good. And as I said, I must say the caves are amazing. It's just watching it and seeing the way it's all done. It's quite amazing.